Hey ladies, I wanted to talk to you about a brush sale that we're going to be having going on from August 16th to August 25th. Our brushes are amazing. They are super duper dense to work with our cream makeup perfectly, and you won't have any shedding. They're not prickly. They're not thin and wimpy. They're perfect. All of my clients love our brushes. They're excellent. First, I want to talk to you about the eye collection because it is a goodie, and I show you what these can be used for. Now, let me just say, there are 4 brushes that I will use for my eyes. Multitasker, but these 3 are my staples, my essentials that I use every single day for my eye looks. This is the eyeshadow brush, and let me tell you, even if you already have these 3 brushes, I have multiples of them because when you're using different colors, like if you're using brown in your crease and then maybe a blue or a pink on your lid, and so that you're not muddying your colors at all on your brush and then on your eye. And you can use our brush cleaner, which is totally awesome, and it will sanitize and clean your brush and dry within seconds so that you can use it again. But so with the eye shadows, because I'm moving back and forth between colors so often and so quickly, this helps me to not have to stop and clean my brush as often. So I like to have various ones, that way I can use one that I'm doing my browns with and the other one that I'm doing my colors with, and then maybe one that I'm doing golds or metallics or shimmers, so I'm not muddying things together and so that I'm not having to stop all the time. So it's very, very helpful to have multiple sets of your eye brushes. So the eyeshadow brush, this is a staple that everyone will need if you do anything with your eyes at all. So I use the small end of this when I color in my brows, which right now they're healing from microblading, so I'm in the process of that. But I will use this to color them in, the small little pencil brush end. And then I'll use this to give myself smoky eyeliner. Sometimes, like if I'm putting a darker color, and I want to keep it really tight and in a small area, I'll use that to be more precise too with the detail work. And then this bigger, fluffier end is great for in your crease. It's great for on your lids too, if you're just wanting a lighter wash of color, because it's a softer, feathery blend, and then you can soften and blend and feather your color up here so it's not so harsh. And so this is essential. If you wear even just one color of eyeshadow, you need the Seint Eyeshadow Brush. The next one, the line brush. This one you absolutely need if you're going to use our Seint eyeshadows for your eyeliner, which I do every day, which is my favorite way to do eyeliner. This little razor thin end of the brush is perfect to lay your upper line, to darken on your lower lash line. It's perfect for eyeliner. And then for our cream eyeliner as well, you can use this. Also, a lot of gals use it to fill in their brows, and you can do it to make the tiny little brush strokes to look like hairs. And then this other end, the spoolie end, it looks kind of like a mascara wand, but it's much denser and it's softer. And you can use this with our brow wax to kind of control and set your brows. You can use it to separate your lashes if it gets clumpy when you put on your mascara. You can use it to rub and wipe away the mascara that gets on your eye if you get messy after it dries. And then the other thing is, if you want to turn your powder or one of the eyeshadows or whatever into a loose powder, you can rub this across the top and that'll give you a little bit of loose powder. It'll just give you like a tiny fine dust. So it's a goodie, the line brush. And then the smudge brush. This is thicker, denser, and shorter. So this is kind of a circular shape. It's kind of like a dome, and this would be for your fine detail work. It's soft, but it's very dense, and so it is going to lay on the color thicker. So if I have a soft shimmer like a pale pink and I want to give it more pow, and I want to have the shimmer and the pink have more pop, then I will use this, because these dense ones will give you more of a color pop. So it's great for that. And then if I want to come in here and do some detail work or put some darker color in the corner of my eye, this is perfect for nailing it down and getting it just exactly where you want it. So these 3 brushes are the eye collection that's going to go on sale from August 16th to August 25th, and they will be on sale as a collection for $60, which saves you $12 from the normal. That's in US dollars, but these are goodies. And even if you already have these, you need more, because eye brushes, especially if you like to use different colors, you need several sets just to keep things fast and easy. So eye collection, it's a goodie. So grab yours while you can. The sale starts August 16th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. These are goodies and they are staples that I use every single day. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.